It's the end of the month and my wallet's a little too thick to close. Let's fix that. I'm prepping for a full cash condensing. It's where I swap bulky bills for clean stacks and I give my budget a fresh reset. But here's the twist. This isn't just for aesthetics. I'll show you how this tiny ritual turns chaos into clarity and how it helps me track my progress faster. Let's start with my high priority sinking funds. I have an envelope here that will kickstart this entire condensing, and that is my vacation envelope. I've got a lot of good denominations in here, a variety of denominations. First, let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's put a $500 placeholder in there. Then I've got, let's do 50, take that out. Let's do 50, 70, 90. Give myself a couple more denominations. 50, 70, 90, 95, 96, and 7, 8, 9. Jesus, I can't count. 50, 70, 90, 95, 96, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to put another 100 in here and take this 100 out. Okay. The only thing I won't be able to pull from this envelope is a 10, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and condense a little bit more. I've got $200 here, so I'm going to put some more placeholders. 200. So vacation now has a total of 500, 6, 7, 800, 850, 860, 861. And now the envelope's going to be a lot thinner, a lot less bulky, and I'll be able to condense all my other envelopes now that I have this cashed from this envelope. We need to start by cataloging the $800 in prop money that's going to go towards our Ally high yield savings account. We've got vacation as the category, and that is going to have a total of $800 in it. If you'd like to sign up for an Ally account, I am not in any way affiliated or sponsoring them. It's just what I use. So I've made a quick snippet on how easy it is to make the account and join. And because it's a savings account, you're guaranteed approval. First, you're going to start by Googling Ally High Yield Savings. It'll be the first link to pop up that's not sponsored. Then you'll find the big purple button that says Open New Account. From there, you're going to choose that you do not have an Ally login, and it'll prompt you to create the account from there. You're an individual looking to open a savings account. You're going to put the amount that you're willing to deposit today. You can see the APR is almost 4%. You're going to follow the steps, fill out all the information, and this has changed how I save money forever. I put large amounts after cash stuffing into Ally for a high yield savings account. Once you're in, you can actually play around and even set up buckets to match your wallet categories like groceries, gas, gifts, and more. So now all we're going to do is go through each binder and visually scan each envelope to see if there's anything that needs condensing. We've got our pets envelope. We can definitely condense this too. We can't condense this, no. That's okay. That's it for this binder. Next, we've got our bills binder. Transportation. Oh, we got so many ones. Goodness gracious. How many ones do we have? All right, so we got 12 ones, but I don't have a 10 yet. Let's come back to this envelope and see if I can find a 10 somewhere around here. Insurance, no 10s and a bunch of 1s. I do have 2 50s, so I'm going to swap these out for 100. I'm not putting any placeholders. Actually, you know what? I'm lying. I'm going to go ahead and put $300 in placeholders in here. So let's grab those. We've got $300 here. We're going to send $300 back to the bank into the high yield savings. This is my car insurance envelope. So that'll be $300. And I can't condense the ones just yet. I can take that 5. Let's see how many ones are in here. Oh, I'm just short of a 20. That would be so perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get a 5 in here at least to try to condense it a little bit more. Okay, so car insurance now has 1, 2, 300, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. 318. Safe share. Let me see if I have any 10s anywhere. I know I have a lot of 5s and a lot of 1s. Oh, I got some 10s in here. Oh, I got some 10s in here too. Oh, more 10s. All right, cool. So let's do Apple Music next. We're going to condense this as much as we can. So we've got 20. Let's swap that out. I don't want my 10s though. All right, so let's put that back in for right now. 5, 10. Oh wait, $20. Y'all, I can't count. 5, 10, 15, 20. Bim, bam, boom, baby. Let's come back up here to the front and see if we can condense this a little better now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll get a 10 in its place. Perfect. Transportation, I don't use prop bills in here because this is taken out very regularly, but I am going to swap these 250s for 100. All right, so went back to transportation and we can count it now that we've condensed it. It's got a total of 1, 2, 250, 260, 61, 62, 262 in transportation. We did insurance. Let's take a look at safe share and see what we can condense here. You know what? We need another 20. So for me, cash condensing is a little bit of like trial and error. I'm just looking through things, and if I can spot that, great. If I can't, I'll kind of hop around in between binders. Let's see. I don't have any more 20s, so these are going to be kind of hard to fix. I'm going to set this binder to the side for a sec and see if there's any condensing we can do in another category. So we'll come back to this binder. Next, I've got my business binder. I don't think anything's going to be condensed in here. This one's pretty sparse. 50. This one's already condensed. 10, 5, 10, 20, 20, and 20. Yep. Right. So let's take a look then at this binder. I love this binder, by the way. It's a brand new binder and it's got this, it has the brand name on it. So I'm really happy with it. And it's gorgeous. Look how gorgeous it is. Oh my God. I could die. All right. Personal, self-care, debt, and car maintenance have all been obliterated, apparently. So we need to get that fixed. But let's get some 20s in the meantime. Clothing. Oh, this is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and put 50 into clothing and get some 20s in return. 2 20s and a 10 for 50. Now I have $90 in clothing. I wish that was 100 so I could put one of those cute bills in there, but that's okay. All right, healthcare doesn't have too much. Let's see, can we condense it? 20, 40, 45. No, we cannot. Boo. I would swap this out for 20, these 2 10s, but I want these 20s for my other binder. That's okay. Birthday. This is not just for my birthday, this is for anyone's birthday. I got 50, 2, 4. I want this 10 because I already have a bunch of 5s. So let's swap this out for 50, 2 20s, and a 10. Boom, baby. No, do I need more 5s? No. I'm going to leave this in here for right now, especially so I can have some a little extra spending money. All right, this is actually, this envelope, I've been waiting to get some change for this because it's got such big bills. But actually, I'm putting it into my savings challenge. So we're going to do that in just a second. I'm going to put this back in here for now. I'm going to bounce around just a little bit and come back to my bills binder. And now we can condense the ones we weren't able to. So transportation, insurance, safe share. Let's go ahead and count this one out. This one should have 20. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. Oh, these cash condensings feel so good. These have been so cluttered for so long. Just packed with ones. Let's see, can we condense any more? No, we got 4 ones. So safe share now has $24 in it. Apple Music is not going to be condensed. We've already condensed it. All right, YouTube Premium. Let's see. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $48. No, I don't want to do this. Let's get rid of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. All right, so I'm going to swap that out for 20. That way the envelope is, at the very least, a little bit less chunky. I just realized I could have used my savings envelope to take all those 20s out and it would have been totally fine. And I could have used all those 20s in this condensing. Oh, well, I didn't think that much. That's okay. All right, let's do Amazon's. Oh, my goodness. This one is a chunky. We might. Let's see what we got in here. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Holy moly. Count that again because I feel like I did it wrong. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Sweet. Oh, that feels so good to do. Lovely. All right, so we've got $50 in there. I didn't realize I had that much in that envelope, which is another reason cash condensings are so much fun. To find your own money, which is pretty cool. 2, 3. Ooh, these bills suck. All right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You gotta be kidding me. 5. All right, let's get a 5 in here at least. Mind you, I don't keep track of what I condense. I don't need to write it down or anything. But this whole situation is just about making the envelopes a little bit smaller. We did Save Share, we did Apple Music, we did YouTube Premium. All right, so that's it for the bills binder. I'm gonna come back to this binder, just double check. I'm gonna swap these two 10s in Holiday out for a 20, now that I have a couple more 20s. So notice how I'm condensing, I'm just really hopping around, going through each binder, reading the envelopes, figuring out what belongs, what doesn't belong. Getting through this one again, now I have more 10s, so I'm actually gonna replace that 5 with a 10. Those 5s, sorry. And then last but not least, the part that I'm most excited for, I can finally fill in my savings challenges. So let's see how I wanna do this. I basically need to break this down into much smaller denominations. So let me set this to the side for right now. And I need to not get confused. 2, 4, 6, 8, 85, 90. So I've got $95 going into my savings challenge. Set this to the side. I freaking love this binder. And then finally, I love this binder. It's so pretty. The only thing is it likes to stay folded in on itself. That's okay, we're gonna break it in. All right, I've got my $95 here, and now what I need to do is go through in order because I'm a little bit type B, this one I'm type A for. Next in line is 20. So I'm gonna need some 1s here, but I'm also gonna need these 5. So let's break this $20 bill down to start. I'm gonna replace this 20 with a 10. Goodness. And let's do 10 1s. Let's go crazy. All right, so that's 20. Now I have some more denominations. Now I can start really putting some stuff in here. All right. 12, we're gonna do a 10 and 2 1s. Hold it and get it right in there. Hooray! All right, now you can maybe start to see why I needed all those 1s. I'll probably need a lot more 1s too. Next, we've got 13. I'm gonna take one of these 20s and break it into 2 10s. Since we're in the teens, I'll need these 2 10s. All right, 13. We've got a 10 and 3 1s. And his beautiful face is gonna go right in here. All right, I'm gonna break another 20 so that we're getting some 1s. I'm gonna do, actually, let me see if I could do 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, I can. I've got $14 here, I'm gonna fold this in. Reminds me of that meme, I don't know if you guys have seen that TV show with Moira. It's called Schitt's Creek. And there's a funny scene where she goes back and forth or David is his character name. And she's like, you just fold it in. And he's like, I don't know what that means. $20. I'm gonna swap this out for 2 10s because we're still in the teens. I need a couple more 10s. Now I can do 16. No, just kidding, I can't count. $15. 15 is next. Ooh, I freaking love this. It's so nice and organized. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. 16. Now let's make it pretty. Oh, I didn't make that one pretty. I need to take that one out again. So I'm gonna fix 15. Let me put 16 in here. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's raining pretty hard outside right now. It's going crazy here in New Orleans. All right, I'm gonna fix this one. Make it pretty. All right, last but not least, we've got 17. So I'm gonna break this down into a 10, a 5, and 5 1s. This bill is super crispy. I'm the type of person, when I go to the bank, I am too, I don't know the word, bashful maybe, to ask for crisp bills because I don't want to make the teller angry with me. So I always get kind of crappy bills, but this one's really nice. It even feels really firm. Okay, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, $17 is next. We're gonna tuck that in. And then as time goes on, I'm gonna continue to put money aside for this savings challenge, just like I did today. I set aside larger denominations and then break them apart later on. So these last remaining dollars out of the 95 is going to go back into my savings envelope in the pink binder. Let's put this back. And the pink binder, $3 left in the savings envelope. And we're going to save this for next time when we can go up a level in our savings challenge. That's all for today. I've got a cash condensing where we've set aside some money in our high yield savings account. I've got the savings challenge all complete. So this was an excellent, very productive session. Last step we need to do, I'm already starting my outro and I haven't even counted this yet. All right, so we pulled $800, a total of $800 for our ally. Everything else kind of transferred inwards. So we're gonna count this and make sure that going back to the bank is an exact savings of, not 800, I'm sorry, $1,100. So let's go ahead and count. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. We've got 5152. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, plus 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, plus 60. Whoa, it's a lot of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Done. We did it. Okay, now I can do my outro. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for staying with me if you're still with me in this video. I know it was a pretty long video. I love the budgeting community, and if you haven't started cash stuffing yet, I severely suggest you start. Not only is it helpful financially for financial freedom, but it's also just fun. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, stay with me, visit me again, and let's do this budget thing together. We got this. You got this. I got this. We all got this. Have a wonderful day. Do great things. Love you so much. Bye-bye.